right, so we've been studying set theory, and now we get to apply the stuff we've learned about set theory. So this section is about applications of sets, and this is a typical example that you're going to see, and I just want to work through it with you so that we can see the procedure you're going to use to solve these. Okay. Agway Lawn and Garden collected the following information regarding purchases from 130 of its customers. 74 purchased shrubs, 70 purchased trees, and 41 purchased both shrubs and trees. Notice the word and. Okay, in this problem, I could see that I have two sets, shrubs and trees. So I've gone ahead and drawn a Venn diagram with two sets. And the reason I'm using a Venn diagram is because I need to organize this information. Okay, and then I have all these questions. Of those surveyed, how many purchased only shrubs? Well, you might be tempted to say 74, but this doesn't say 74 purchased only shrubs, because of these 74, some purchased shrubs and trees, right? Of these 74, 41 purchased shrubs and trees, okay? And then how many purchased only trees? How many did not purchase either one of these? Okay, so before I get to the questions, what I like to do is I like to go ahead and create my Venn diagram, and with the information given, try to figure out how many items are in each region. Okay, so we remember that this is the universal set. And I'm going to say that this is the people who bought shrubs. These are the people who bought trees. And remember, since it's only two sets, we have regions 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Now, when they say that 74 purchased shrubs, that 74 is the entire set of shrubs, which is regions 1 and 2. Agreed? When they say that 70 purchased trees, trees is this entire set, which is regions 2 and 3. But when they say 41 purchased both shrubs and trees, I'm going to remember that the word and is intersection. So which region is the intersection of shrubs and trees? Region 2. So notice here that I know that region 2 has 41 people in there. There's 41 people in there. All right. Now, with this information, I knew that 74 purchased shrubs, and I said that that was regions 1 and 2. But if I know that region 2 has 41 in it, how many would be in region 1? Region 1 would be 74 minus the 41, which is 33. So there's 33 in region 1 and 41 in region 2. 33 plus 41 is 74. Now I can do the same thing with this idea over here. 70 purchased trees. Trees is regions 2 and 3. I've already counted the 41 people who bought shrubs and trees. So to figure out what's in region 3, I need 70 minus 41, which is 29. So region 3 has 29, and notice that 41 plus 29 is 70. Now, there's one more region I haven't found. I found regions 1, 2, 3. I haven't found region 4. Well, they told me that there were a total of 130 customers. Well, of the 130, I've already counted 33, 41, and 29. So if I calculate 130 minus 33 minus 41 minus 29, I find that region 4 has 27 people. Okay, notice I have now filled in regions 1 through 4, and now that I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and answer the questions. How many purchased only shrubs? Well, only shrubs would be region 1, which is 33. Okay, so that would be region 1. How many purchased only trees? Well, only trees would be region 3, which is 29. And how many did not purchase either one? Didn't purchase a shrub, didn't purchase a tree. That would be region 4, which is 27. Okay. All right, that didn't look too bad, did it? All right, so let's try another one. Fleetfoot Racing interviewed 150 long-distance runners to determine the type of races in which they participated. The following information was determined. 102 participated in a marathon, 93 participated in a triathlon, and 55 participated in both a marathon and a triathlon. Okay, and then it's followed by all of these questions. Well, I have no hope of answering these questions unless I organize my information in a Venn diagram. So I'm not even going to read the questions yet. I'm going to fill out my Venn diagram. Okay, so the rectangle is my universal set. I'm going to let this first circle be the people who participated in a marathon, and I'm going to let this be the people who participated in a triathlon. Okay, and again, I have 4 regions. And now I've noticed here that when they tell me that 102 participated in a marathon, that's regions 1 and 2. The 93 who participated in a triathlon would be regions 2 and 3, right? Because it's the whole circle. But when they say 55 participated in both marathon and triathlon, and is intersection, which region is the intersection of marathon and triathlon? That would be region 2. So I know that I need to put a 55 in here. But once I know that 55 is in here, I can figure out how many is in here. Because I know that the total marathon should be 102 minus the 55 that I've already used over here, which leaves me with 47 for region 1. And 47 plus 55 is 102. Now for triathlon, it's a total of 93. 93 minus the 55 that I've already counted is 38. And 55 plus 38 is 93. Now, the other thing I need to fill in is region 4. And notice in the problem they told me that they interviewed 150 people. So if I take 150 minus 47 minus 55 minus 38, I find that there are 10 people that didn't participate in a marathon or a triathlon. Okay, so now that I have all my regions filled in, now I can answer the questions. How many participated in only a marathon? Okay, which region is only a marathon? That would be region 1, right? And we know that that is 47. How many participated in only a triathlon? Which region would that be? That would be region 3, which is 38. Now for C, it says participated in either a marathon or a triathlon. Or is what in set theory? Union. So I need the union of marathon and triathlon. So all 3 of these regions, 1 plus 2 plus 3, right? So I need regions 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, and what's regions 1 plus 2 plus 3? I think it's 140. Check my arithmetic on that. All right, I don't have enough fingers for that one. Okay, all right, and how many had not participated in either a marathon or a triathlon. Who didn't participate in anything? 10. Okay? All right. So this is how we do applications of sets with 2 sets. The next ones we're going to try have 3 sets. So stay tuned.